Hey, it's dude. Jason's always hiding. Always hiding. We're here at Crown Point Car Show. You come crew with us too. Buenos Days crew, here we are. Bulldog Park for the car show. They got some music playing. This is cool. Look at this. Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
Jeez. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at it. That's lifted.
That's 16.
These 67 Mustangs are the only type of Mustangs I like. When Jason turns 16, this is what he's gonna be driving, right? Oh wow.
16, this was his first car.
No way.
Yeah,
This is all white walls? Yeah. This is amazing. This was Pop's first car. Dang. Dang, this is cool.
dope.
How you doing? Man, that's cool. Cool. Look at this one. Let's get a look inside. Look at bench seat. I mean, other ones have had that too, but it's still cool. And V8. Dang. Pretty cool roadster. Oh wow, yeah. Those are seat belts. That's definitely you're secure in there. Look at this. I wonder who it's signed by.
Ew, that's so. No, we're almost there.
It's a Mustang.
Super into cars, so we can't really tell what's happening here.
Engine is happening there. Wow. Look at what these are. I don't know what they are. Wow.
This one too.
This is a convertible. Jason said it looks like a god damn it blowout. Christmas story. There's cars over there too. There's no real rhyme or reason type of way we're going. Whoa, look at this one. Yeah. Model T, dude. Ford Model T. Jason said he doesn't know what that means. Is what he's trying to tell me. You know who that is?
Del Castro.
Wow, no. John Dillinger, dude. This is the car. Look at Public Enemy right there. This is the car he would drive right here.
Oh, really?
Dude.
Same type of car?
Yeah. Wow. That is insane. It's just old school cars. Oh, I didn't even see that Jeep over there. Hey, look, there's a Jason. Let's get a look at the Jason. Whoa. Whoa. What?
You know what your son just said?
These cars remind him of A Christmas Story. Oh, look at this one. Whoa. Look at this one. Wow. Oh, there's more cars over there too. This one has a dragon.
Look at that green.
Oh wow, yeah, look at this. Dude. Yeah. You can see inside. Hey, Scooby! Look at this. Dang. I bet this one's loud. I know there's a lot of wind crew. See, there you go. Look at that one. That one's dope. Oh, it's so windy. The wind's blowing my phone. Trying to blow it out of my hand. All right, let's go into Bulldog Park. They came over this way. I saw the baby wanting to play. Oh, there. Yep, there he is. Playing in the water. There he is. Doing the Disneyland thing. Oh my gosh. Whoa, we're getting wet over here. You can feel little wisps of water. I don't know how he's doing it.
You dare me? I'm just gonna chop it.
Chop it? Yeah. Just don't get in there. You didn't do it. There he goes. This thing. The water's hitting his face. And here is maybe the main part of all this. Oh, look at dude. That's cool. Look at that. Is that a 100-spoke rim Buick?
I swear that car just changed color.
Jason said that car changed color.
I thought it was like...
Comment down below. Did it change color?
I thought it was way darker.
You got beer, maybe food or ice cream. There's some other stuff over there. So over here you could bring your own chairs, and I think your own drinks, and you could just hang out and do what people are doing right there. Oh, dude, a Thunderbird. Yeah. But I like this one. It's like a van truck. It's a van truck. Summer concerts. Right there. Look at this vet. Wow. Oh, look at that. That's cool. I don't know what that is. Nope, I don't know. I don't know what you're humming. That one, oh, that one song. Oh yeah, okay. Jason said it's that one song, obviously. Oh, look at, they got switches. Okay. Oh yeah, for sure. Another adventure of just cool, awesome, amazing. Cool, awesome, amazing. Chevy. This looks like a souped up version of the Griswold's car.
You're kind of right.
Right?
Was it their dog got checked?
Oh my gosh, yeah, their dog dragon. Yeah, this one's really cool. This is a big car. Right? What the heck are all those dillies right there? I don't know. That's actually a lot of room. Cobra. Down another aisle. Cool cars. Muscle cars. So Jason was trying to make a joke before this about Cubans drive this. Even to right now, to this day. Because these are the only type of cars they could be driving.
That's all they have.
Yeah, that's all they have. I'm sorry, Jason, I'm sorry. I'm late. I'm not getting it. I'm sorry. Dude, oh my gosh. Are you liking the cars? Cars, cool cars. Look at this one right here. Cool car. Man, that's an engine. That's a cool red car, huh? I'm free.
The dog.
Yeah, look at it. The car. It's a perfect car for the song that's playing right now. I've never seen an S10 like this. Athanasius saying cool car, cool car. Very cool car. You want to drive it?
Drive it?
Yeah.
Drive it.
The dog has, or the car has a dog peeing on it. This is part of the reason why they call it Bulldog Park, but I don't really know why it's called. Press pause if you'd like. So I guess the car show used to be just around this, which is the courthouse, or it's called Courthouse Shops. But this is where the car show used to be, parking spots around here, and now it's gotten way bigger. And now they're in there. Bulldog Park.
He's
Jason catching fireflies.
fur.
Or lightning bugs is what they call them over here.
It's weird.
Light your butt.
Where's that radioactive fart at?
There's a bunch of them in the field over there. I don't know if you can see those. Just caught one. Oh, one right there. Ready? I'm gonna.
Come on.
No, go.
Where'd he go? Here he is.
There you go. Oh, it's right there, right there. Oh, right there. There, there's. That's crazy. Catching fireflies, lightning bugs.
Bye-bye. Whee!
Nope, still on your hand. Oh, you fell. I caught another one. Yes, I caught another one. Hey.
Nice.
Oh. You gonna fly away? No. Oh, there was one back there.
Did you get two?
No. Oh, sorry, dude. It is right there. They have lots of dillies here, right?
Huh?
They have lots of dillies here, right?
Like, literally.
Lots of dillies.
Dillies?
Non-dilly. Ugh. There's lots more dillies over here.
Dilly?
Butterscotch dilly.
Heat dilly? Cherry dilly.
Wow. That's a lot of dilly.
That one does taste like medicine, and that one I do love. That's my favorite.
Ugh.
But it tastes like medicine. And I love it.
Sick.
Yeah.
Say hey, Murph. Say hey to the crew, Murph. Hey. Alright, crew, that's gonna do for this adventure. Okay, hold on. Watch if I don't pet him. He'll bark too. Or he'll growl at me. Okay, that was a fun adventure to the car show, to Bulldog Park. Oh, those dilly bar dillies that were at Dairy Queen, that's not why we say dilly. It just so happened that they say dilly on the box. But a fun adventure to the car show. Crew, thank you so much for hanging out. You hanging out is something you never ever have to do on purpose or by accident. We truly appreciate every single second. Right, Murph? We truly appreciate every single second you hang out with us, because you don't got to do that. You don't have to hang out for 1 second or all the seconds. You doing so means so much. You're all awesome. Thanks for crew and thanks for venturing. On to the next. On to the next. And fireflies are real. Murph, fireflies are real. It's not fake. It's not just a thing on Pirates of the Caribbean, the ride. Seriously, a bonus clip of explaining this. There's one right in front of me. I always thought that was just a thing on Pirates of the Caribbean. It is not a thing on Pirates of the Caribbean. Well, it is, but it's not just a fake thing. It's a real thing. Fireflies are real. Oh, there he goes. Whee! Okay, adventure over now. Higher the better. There it is. There it is. Car show.
Did I not get you? Wait.
No, it's that way.
Oh.
Nice.
Ready. Action.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. What was I gonna say? I don't know what the heck I'm gonna say. I like that one. No, I like that one even better.